Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone, check OS version and confirm a quick backup because changes can affect apps. Open settings and go straight to location, grant permissions if asked. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. They improve location accuracy. Install a trusted VPN or a location spoofing app now and allow the app the precise location permission. You want both system and app-level access before moving on, so you won't get blocked during the next steps. You next set the location mode. Pick high accuracy to combine GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile networks, or device only when you need GPS alone. Then open your VPN and choose the server in the country or region you want. This changes network routing and app geolocation signals. Once connected, launch the spoofing app and input exact coordinates or drop a pin on the map. Make sure to activate mock locations if required by your OS, and keep the VPN connected while testing. You finish by verifying the new location. Open Maps and another location-sensitive app to confirm they see the change. If apps still show your old place, clear their cache or restart the phone. This forces a new location read. Make sure no other location services or second VPN profiles conflict. Disable them and reapply your mock location or VPN connection. One key troubleshooting tip: if accuracy fails, toggle location off and on. Then reconnect VPN. This often forces apps to refresh and accept the new location.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.